Demands are being made for the disqualification of 21 AAP MLAs appointed as parliamentary secretaries after President Pranab Mukherjee refused his assent to a bill passed by the Delhi Assembly to exempt them from the Office of Profit criteria. The AAP government, however, says that the centre is giving them stepmotherly treatment when they claim states like Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Nagaland and Chhattisgarh have posts of parliamentary secretaries with pecuniary benefits.
Blow to Kejriwal government in Delhi. Office of Profit bill returned by President. 21 AAP MLAs can lose their seats. The Arvind Kejriwal government came to power in Delhi promising an alternative kind of governance, championing clean politics with slogans against corruption. But it is facing the most serious crisis yet. It is not a crisis created by the opposition or even the court, but one that is the result of a decision taken by Kejriwal himself. In March 2015, Arvind Kejriwal appointed 21 of his sitting MLAs as parliamentary secretaries. But their appointments came under the category of Office of Profit, and this was pointed out by the opposition, who even turned to the Election Commission. But to legitimize appointments, the Kejriwal government brought in a bill to exempt these from the Office of Profit. The president on Monday refused to give his assent to the bill. The Delhi members of Legislative Assembly Removal of Disqualification Amendment Bill 2015 exempted the post of Parliamentary Secretary from the list of Office of Profit. They were further given an office and a vehicle for office use. The bill proposed to revise the law retrospectively. The bill was referred to Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung, who referred it to the centre. Subsequently, the bill was sent to the President. A complaint against the bill was also filed with the Election Commission, which sought the Aam Aadmi Party government's response. The petitioner, Prashant Patel, also appealed to the President not to give assent to the bill.
जो 28 दिसंबर को मैंने रिप्लाई फाइल किया चुनाव आयोग को माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदय के, उसमें मैंने ये सारी चीजें मेंशन की कि ये माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदय को अपने अधिकारों को यूज करने से रोकने के लिए ये आपके साथ चीट कर रहे हैं कि आप इनको डिस्क्वालीफाइड ना कर सकें, इसलिए इन्होंने ये जल्दबाजी में बिल लेकर आए बिना मेरी याचिका के बाद, इसलिए इसको बिल को रिजेक्ट किया जाए.
After the President's refusal to sign the bill, the status of the 21 AAP MLAs have come into question. The Election Commission may decide to cancel their membership, which will mean by-elections will need to be held. Needless to say, Kejriwal's opposition showed no delay in showing him the mirror.
संविधान में जो लिखा नहीं था आपने पहले वो बना दिया, उसके बाद आप संविधान को बदलना चाहते हैं रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली पीछे जाकर, तो ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता है. इसलिए जब इलेक्शन कमीशन और महामहिम राष्ट्रपति इस विषय को देख रहे हैं, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को बौखलाना नहीं चाहिए.
21 MLAs को अपनी गाड़ी के लिए, ऑफिस के लिए, स्टाफ के लिए सुविधाएं देने के लिए जो बिल था उसको रिजेक्ट किया गया है, क्योंकि ना केवल ये प्रोसीजर के हिसाब से गलत था, कानूनन गलत था, बल्कि साथ साथ नैतिकता के आधार पर भी गलत है.
चुनाव आयोग के सामने कोई जवाब देते बन नहीं पड़ रहा है, इसलिए चोर दरवाजे से ये कानून लाने की कोशिश की गई कि चाहे तो आप 21 संसदीय सचिव अपॉइंट कर लीजिए, इसमें कोई इलीगैलिटी नहीं है. अब बैक डेट से अगर आप कोई कानून बनाएंगे अपने काले कारनामों को ढकने के लिए, उसे कोई तो रोकेगा.
The Aam Aadmi Party on its part argues that these legislators have not benefited from Office of Profit. They also suggest that if the Office of Parliamentary Secretary is legal across the country, then why not in Delhi?
ये जो बिल की नामंजूरी को कल से इतना बड़ा मुद्दा बनाया जा रहा है, अभी ये प्रकरण चुनाव आयोग में चलेगा, वहां पर हमारे विधायकों ने अपना पक्ष रखा है और आगे चुनाव आयोग को इस बारे में निर्णय देना है, सदस्यता समाप्त होनी है या नहीं होनी है.
However, constitutional experts affirm that government salaries or facilities not related to rights after taking office would come under the purview of Office of Profit.
उच्चतम न्यायालय तक ने एक्सेप्ट की हुई है, उसके अनुसार ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि इसके ऑफिस ऑफ प्रॉफिट होने के लिए कोई वित्तीय लाभ, पिक्यूनरी बेनिफिट कोई हो, ये बिल्कुल ज़रूरी नहीं है. अगर ये ऑफिस ऐसा है जो ऑफिस ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस है या एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर्स हैं या प्रभाव डालने की, डिसीजन मेकिंग पर प्रभाव डालने की पोजीशन है, तो वो ऑफिस ऑफ प्रॉफिट अंडर द गवर्नमेंट माना जाएगा.
The Delhi High Court has also sent a notice to the Kejriwal government in a similar case seeking their response. Office of profit applies to elected persons who derive other financial benefits over their elected rights. Constitution section 102(1)(a) states that a person shall be disqualified for being chosen as or for being a member of either House of Parliament if he holds any office of profit under the Government of India or the government of any state other than an office declared by Parliament by law, not to disqualify its holder. This is not the first time that the Office of Profit controversy has been raised. Congress President Sonia Gandhi was forced to resign from several positions in 2006 on the issue of being the NAC chairperson after it was linked to Office of Profit. Samajwadi Party's Jaya Bachchan's Rajya Sabha membership was also cancelled for the same reason. The Kejriwal government is caught in a trap of its own making, and the fate of these 21 MLAs lie with the Election Commission. While disqualification will not affect the majority the Kejriwal government enjoys, it will certainly be a moral blow to his brand of politics. With Kumar Alok and Nishant Saurav, Newsnight Desk, DD News.